Good morning class. Today we will discuss about the public relation, because in today's cutthroat competition public relation is must for any organization, for any firm to sell its product, because in cutthroat organization there is a substitute for every product, but public relation means a lot for any organization. Now, public relation refers to that non-sales communication which a business has with its various audiences. Public relation refers to the relation of an organization with the public to secure a good public image of a company. It creates a favorable atmosphere for running business. Now, there are following groups of public to whom a business unit establishes relation, like customers, suppliers, intermediaries, that are wholesaler, retailers, employees, shareholders, community. According to British Institute of Public relation is a deliberate plan and sustained effort to establish and maintain mutual understanding between an organization and its public. If public is satisfied, then you can grow at a faster rate. Now, feature or criteria of public relation: securing cooperation of public. Public relation is an activity to get support from public to run successfully. For this, public support is essential, which can be earned through public relations. Second, successful relation with the public. Sometimes public develop negative attitude towards the company, which can be changed by establishing public relations. Like, take example, 3 years back, people were against Maggie, or 5 years back, people were against Pepsi and Coke. Pesticides are there and Maggie Light is there. Then they created a public relation with them. Old ads were there. Mother used to tell his kid that my mother also used to prepare Maggie. Or Amir Khan and Salman Khan came for Pepsi and Coke ad कि मैं भी पीता हूँ तुम भी पियो. So these are public relation ways. Satisfying different groups. Public relation refers to satisfy different groups such as customer, employees, shareholders, and society. So we have to satisfy, because we are in a society. If shareholders are satisfied, then we can prosper. If customers can multiply, then we can prosper. If employees are satisfied, then we can prosper. Like in India, working with Aditya Birla Group, employees are more happy than other groups. Emerging dialogues. Every organization wishes to enjoy goodwill among all related protagonists for establishing good reputation. It is essential to encourage in dialogues. So dialogue is must in public relations. During dialogues, organization provide information, and this is possible only through public relation. Now, it's an ongoing activity. Public relation is an effect which has to be repeated again. So it's an ongoing activity. You can't say that this year we'll have a public relation, we'll have good relation with the public, next year we will forget employees or your customers or other groups. No, it's an ongoing. To keep employees satisfied, meeting must be encouraged and with them from time to time. Specialized activity. Public relation is recognized in a form of specialized activity in a business organization. It is also performed just like other activities such as purchase, production, etc. This is the reason why all big organizations establish public relation department. So they are separate departments which keep up good relation with the public, with suppliers, with shareholders, with your customers. So they are specialized people. So you have to keep in mind. Thank you.